So I thought I'd do a review of my Pedibal Navigata e-bike. I've had it now for 3 or 4 months or so, I think. I just love it. It's so powerful and smooth. It's fantastic. So I'm just running along quite a bumpy track, which I'll show you. Pretty bumpy. And it just eats up the bumps. It really does. It's got a really comfortable saddle, which helps. And if you've seen my other video that I did showing you how it collapses and stows away neatly in the boot, that's exactly what you want from an e-bike, which is really a commuter bike really. But I use it for going cross country, not too rough, not too bumpy, but it can handle quite a lot of rough terrain, which is fantastic. It's got 7 gears and 5 power settings, fantastic brakes. It's also got an auto power throttle, which I'm going to stop and show you, which looks like this, which is this button here, which when you press that and then you can see it wants to go off, you can, without pedaling, activate the power button, which is really great. But yeah, very good. So that's the screen with all the information. The battery does seem to last a heck of a long time. I reckon you'll get a good 30-40 miles depending on how much work it's doing. But yeah, I can't recommend this bike enough. There's a close-up of the bike. It's about 19 kilos in total weight. A little bit more when you add the back wrap, which I've done, which is about 25 pounds for that. Really comfortable saddle. And you can see all the switches and electronics. They're very simple, but very well made. And a fantastic folding mechanism, which I like very much. And the handlebars also fold down, so stowing it away in the boot of a car is really easy. Yeah, very impressed. Well built, well designed, fantastic e-bike, and for the price, I think it's an absolute bargain. The other thing I wanted to say was the service from Pedibal has been absolutely fantastic. Dealing with the owner, I had an issue where I actually broke the auto power switch, because when I collapsed the handlebars it broke. My fault. Anyway, I let Mark know, and he didn't quibble. He asked me to send it back. I put it in the box, sent it back to him, and he replaced the switch. Now that's what I call good service. Really, really impressed. So thanks, Mark. I don't get paid to do these reviews, by the way. I'm doing it because I genuinely believe this is a great product. It's a British company. And I think I've probably said before that I used to have a Go Cycle, which was a fantastic bike, really good, but very expensive. And actually, do you know what? I prefer this bike. It's all round, I think it's more comfortable. It's certainly easier to collapse and store. And I like the gears. It's more powerful, I think. Going up and down, or going up steep hills, this has absolutely no problem whatsoever. So I'm sorry, Go Cycle. As much as I love your products, this is better value for money all round. So hope you enjoyed the video, and go out and buy one. You won't be disappointed.